guys, so I've been talking about in the last few days about gratitude, and just look at that over there. Like, how beautiful is that? You're gonna start to appreciate the little things in life. When you start to appreciate small things like this, that's what makes you happy. It doesn't take so much to please you, and you are actually happier all the time. I'm enjoying my walk, I'm enjoying my sunshine. I mean, what else do I need? I'm loving it. I hope you guys all have a lovely day, and also think about things you are grateful for. See, that is exactly what I'm talking about. That is amazing. That's something to be grateful for.